In this video, we will discuss return statement. In JavaScript function, return statement is optional. This is required when you want to return a value from a function. This statement is the last statement in a function's body. Let's discuss with the help of an example. I have made a file with the name of param.js. I will write a function here. I will give its display name and will take two strings. We will write first name in first one, second name in second. We will have them concatenated inside function. In display, we will have in return first name plus second name. This is my return where we will have name and it will be concatenated. If I want to write another function here of result, I will take the value of this function. I will first take any two variables as let fname equals to Imran, let last name equals to Khan. We will have the name as Imran Khan. After doing this, I will call this function by writing display. The function above I will call fname, I will send as parameter. Then lname. It is must that this value be saved somewhere. I will take a variable with the name of res and will store in it. I want to display this result with document.write. Display is called inside result. I will call this result. Save it with Ctrl plus S. We will look at it here. We have the name. So now we have the name displayed as Imran Khan. Return statement is optional in any function, and this is the method of returning it.